Hi everyone, welcome back to a new crypto market video, the educational channel about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Today, I want to introduce you to the new wallet that Trezor has just launched, the spectacular Trezor Safe 7. This project took 5 years to develop, which really speaks to the quality of what they're bringing to market. We're going to take a look at its main features, the new updates, and everything you need to know about this exciting launch. So make sure you stay until the end of the video because it's packed with valuable information. Let's start by looking at its exterior features and then focus on the most important thing, which is all the new technology inside. Let's start by looking at the design. The wallet is made from premium aluminum with a reinforced backplate. Its dimensions are 75.4 mm high, 44.5 mm wide, and 8.3 mm thick, making it the largest wallet in the Trezor family. On the front, it features a 2.5-inch full-color high-resolution touchscreen with haptic feedback. Just like your smartphone, it gently vibrates when you touch it. The larger display makes it easier to read transaction details and offers a much more comfortable experience. Additionally, the screen has a fully reinforced glass surface that uses the patented Gorilla Glass 3 technology, making it highly resistant to drops, scratches, and even splashes. On the right side, there's a power button, and on the bottom, you'll find a USB-C port. The Trezor Safe 7 is the first Trezor that works wirelessly. You can connect it to your computer or mobile device via a secure Bluetooth connection. Since Trezor always prioritizes security, all Bluetooth connections are protected by the Trezor host protocol. This encrypts every command and transaction, ensuring that no one can intercept, alter, or inject malicious messages. The wallet stays invisible to unknown devices and only connects to trusted apps through open-source encryption. This means you can enjoy secure and encrypted communication. You can use it wirelessly with your smartphone or tablet, or simply disable Bluetooth and use a cable connection if you prefer. The Trezor Safe 7 is also the first Trezor powered by a battery, specifically a lithium iron phosphate battery. This type of battery offers an excellent balance between safety, durability, and cost. It lasts 4 times longer than regular lithium batteries, discharges more slowly, and can be fully drained without damage. Charging is simple. It comes with magnetic wireless charging. Just place the wallet on any Qi2 compatible base and it locks in place for stable charging. Or, if you prefer, you can charge it via the USB-C cable. The wallet comes in 3 colors: charcoal black, obsidian green, and a Bitcoin-only edition in bright orange. The wallet is loaded with advanced security features to protect your digital assets. It includes 2 independent secure elements, Tropic01 and Optica Trust M. Together, they create a dual-chip architecture that guards against tampering, brute force pin attacks, and counterfeit hardware. Each secure element provides a different layer of protection. The first one is Tropic01. Tropic01 was developed by Tropic Square, a company created by Trezor's parent group, Satoshi Labs, in 2020. Tropic Square was created exclusively for the creation of secure chips that anyone can inspect and verify. Trezor has been working on the manufacture of this chip for 5 years. This chip handles PIN protection, device authentication, and secure randomness for wallet generation. The second is the Optica Trust M chip. This is a certified microcontroller with EAL6+, the highest level of certification in the crypto hardware industry. Both chips work together to keep your funds fully secure. Now here's one of the biggest innovations. The Trezor Safe 7 is the world's first quantum-ready hardware wallet. This wallet incorporates factory-installed hardware designed to support future post-quantum upgrades, meaning it's already designed to resist future attacks from quantum computers. As quantum computing advances in the coming years, The Safe 7 will be able to receive firmware upgrades tailored for post-quantum cryptography. This is a huge advantage because only devices designed with this hardware architecture can run those future updates. So the Trezor Safe 7 is already prepared for the next generation of security. Before we continue, if you're interested in buying this Trezor, I've left a link in the video description. It'll take you directly to their official website where you can place your order securely. Alongside this launch, Trezor also revamped its mobile app experience, allowing you to safely explore the crypto ecosystem. Through the app, you can connect to third-party wallets, DeFi platforms, dApps, and NFT marketplaces. You can check your portfolio, send and receive crypto, and connect your Trezor to popular wallet apps. Some will be available from the wallet's launch, and others will be added gradually. Trezor also offers an open-source SDK so other software wallets can easily integrate with it. The Trezor Safe 7 supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other cryptocurrencies and tokens. When you create a new wallet, the Trezor Safe 7 generates 20 recovery seed words by default. If you already own another hardware wallet, like a Ledger Cold Card or another Trezor model, you can safely restore your existing wallet here using 12 or 24-word standard seeds. And like all Trezor wallets, you can protect your device with a PIN of up to 50 digits. And finally, when you buy the Trezor Safe 7, you'll receive the Trezor Safe 7 device, a USB-C cable, 2 recovery seed cards, a quick start guide, a security guide, and a few stickers. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the new Trezor Safe 7. Remember, you'll find the official Trezor link in the video description if you'd like to purchase yours securely. And don't forget to leave your questions or opinions in the comments section below. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. See you next time.